I check everything if there is egg in or not. But it is egg inside. Because,
everything sweet they have egg.
yeah, because here, okay, here the egg, it's something you have egg
Yeah.
everywhere. No?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
have
I
so
mean-
many chicken, and they just have the chickens for egg. So you have seen, no? Also in our neighborhood, so many
Yeah.
they have chickens.
Yeah.
They live outside freely, and they just give them egg, and they have egg because
Yeah.
it's nice.
Yeah, egg is a very common thing here, you know.
Yeah.
It's like a milk in India. Like she was really struggling to find.
Yeah, but it
thing.
was super cute, no? That they served.
Yeah, they're very
Tried.
And they were looking at me also in a shock, like, oh my god, who's this guy who does not eat egg?
Yeah, and then because they started like, then they were like, yeah, but it has not a complete egg inside. It's just this and this and that and that. And then I was like, yeah, but it's the egg, no? And then she was like, yeah, but why? And I was like,
Because he's Indian.
so then I explained he's Indian, and in India there it's egg, it's vegetarian, like you don't
Yeah.
eat it.
Yeah, correct.
And she was like, okay, so how and blah, and then I explained, and she was like, okay, yeah, I understand. It makes sense. Absolutely, it makes sense.
Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. और थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन जो हमारे वीडियो को पसंद कर रहे हैं, लाइक कर रहे हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं. मतलब पिछले कुछ दिनों से या कुछ हफ्तों से हमारा चैनल बहुत ही अच्छा ग्रो कर रहा है. सो थैंकफुल टू एवरीवन, ग्रैटिट्यूड 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 फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट. और थैंक यू भाई साहब. कल जो मज़ा आया है, जो आप लोगों ने व्लॉग में देखा ही है पिछले, भाई जो बॉडी एग्जॉस्ट की है ना, उसके बाद हम आके ना वेब सीरीज़ देख रहे थे और ऐसे पढ़ के सो गए. और जो सो गए हैं ना, तो भाई मतलब सीधा सुबह ही उठे हैं. और कुछ
Hello, I have something for you. Sorry to interrupt. Your first letter. No, second actually.
yeah. Is it what I'm thinking?
Open.
भाई सस्पेंस है ये बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ है. और उससे पहले I was just telling them about yesterday. The time we had yesterday
Was very pretty.
was very nice, very amazing, and हम दोनों, we both would like to thanks to mom and dad for
Danke
inviting
vielmals.
us. Danke vielmals, mama, papi. Yeah, I mean it was really grateful. मेरे बचपन से सपना था कि मैं अपने माँ बाप के साथ कहीं घूमने जाऊँगा, बट फॉर वट एवर सो रीज़न मेरे माँ बाप मुझे नहीं ले जा पाए, या मेरे को बचपन से हमेशा ये लगता था. अब क्या पता था किस्मत ऐसी जगह लाएगी कि इससे शादी होगी, फिर इसके माँ बाप वो काम करेंगे जो मेरे माँ बाप करना चाहते थे, या मैं चाहता था कि वो करें. बट एनीवेज, इमोशनल ना होते हुए बात को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. ये मुझे लग रहा है जिस चीज़ के लिए हम ऑफिस गए थे. वी वेंट टू द इमिग्रेशन. व्लॉग्स में देखा होगा तुम लोगों ने भी. आई होप दैट इज दैट, एंड इफ इज दैट, तुम्हारा भाई जो है ना,
You need something to open?
नहीं बेबी, आई ओपन लाइक दिस.
Open completely. Woohoo!
Whoa, hello.
Hello, that's new.
Wow, look at me. भाई समझ में आ रहा है क्या है? Baby, what is this?
That's your Swiss
Permit.
permit.
हाँ, तो ये देखो, तुम्हें दिखा दूँ मैं?
I don't know what
दिखा
number
दूँ?
is this. I guess
ये
they will
देखो.
explain this on this.
ये देखो, ये हो गई है यहाँ की मेरी रेजिडेंट परमिट. दिस इज बी, राइट?
Yeah.
इट्स बी
Take
परमिट.
it away.
ठीक है, till 2026, 1 year, huh?
Yeah, it's
Good.
always
Good.
1 year, and then they send you a new one.
Siliguri, West Bengal. Here they say. Good. Okay, nice. So फाइनली अपनी परमिट आ गई भाई, रेजिडेंट, ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंट बन गए हम स्विट्ज़रलैंड के। समझ रहे हो भाई लोगों, danke vielmals, the Swiss government, thank you so much, thank you so much.
Why you say thank you to me? You have to say thank you to yourself.
Okay, something different, huh? But wow, it's interesting. Good morning, YouTube and people, my people. Good morning. कैसे हो आप लोग? How are you doing? How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, just a little bit pain on my back. Yeah, there is some, I don't know, even today in neck also. I have no idea why.
Maybe you need a massage.
I don't know, maybe. But yeah, so it's a beautiful weather. I mean, they call it here depressing weather, but I call it a beautiful weather. So बस अभी क्या है कि हम लोग जो है आज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का काम है, आज सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वगैरह सबमिट कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि मेरी रेजिडेंट परमिट आ चुकी है, तो आज हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ का जो लोकल ऑफिस है वहाँ पे सबमिट करेंगे। उसके बाद बैंक जाएंगे, उसके बाद स्टेशन जाएंगे। वी हैव टू डू हर मंथली पास बिकॉज फ्रॉम टुमारो शी इज स्टार्टिंग हर जॉब। हाँ, और भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं जीवन में, करते रहेंगे। बाकी मौसम बढ़िया हो रहा है, बीच बीच में नीला नीला आसमान दिख रहा है, बाकी सब बढ़िया है यार। आज थोड़ा सा डल सा हूँ, पेन की वजह से ज़्यादा हिल डुल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो हिल रहा हूँ लेकिन एज सच इतना ज़्यादा नहीं। बाकी सब बढ़िया, जीवन धन्य है, बुझ रहे हो? वो what's
I like this park.
Is this parking?
Yeah.
In between?
Yeah, you see these white lines?
Uh-huh.
This means this is park.
Oh, these ones?
Yeah.
Oh, मुझे लगा ये कहाँ पार्क कर रही है भाई? Oh, should I take a? Okay.
You were thinking that.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I was like, you are supposed to park there and then. भाई चर्च का घंटा बज गया, देखो सामने चर्च है। अरे, और ऑफिस पहुँच चुके हैं। Wow, look at this. Wow, this looks adorable. Adorable. Let's take a picture. Such a beautiful. तो भाई बस ये ऑफिस है, आज दूसरे रास्ते से जा रहे हैं। ये यहाँ की बसें हैं, बस देख लो लंबी होती, जहाँ इंडिया की 2 बसें, 2 बसेस मिला के एक बस बन जाती है। हाँ, ऐसा सा है माहौल, और इतने ही लोग रहते हैं जनरली यहाँ पे, पॉपुलेशन भी देखो। सच अ काम प्लेस, मतलब सही है, मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा शांति है ना, मुझे लग रहा है मैं धीरे बात करूँ। Like I am talking slow because I feel maybe I'm making a noise pollution which I don't know. And this is our office. चलो मैं बाद में मिलता हूँ because office के अंदर not allowed.
This?
So what will come?
A paper from your health insurance will come, and this they will need.
So I mean, wait. From where the health insurance paper will come? From them only?
From the health insurance.
Once we get the health insurance done.
Yes.
And you said one more thing, no? That because I'm not earning right now, so the government will pay something like this, no? Second part.
This
something?
yeah, this I have to do.
How?
I have to. It's online. It's a form online. But I wanted to wait until we get this from the health insurance because it's that you don't have to pay the whole amount from the health insurance because you don't earn yet.
Correct.
So they will give you some money back.
Oh, okay.
Okay? But they do that.
भाई कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो इंडिया में ज़रूरी नहीं होती, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्विट्ज़रलैंड में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, महीने का करीबन 30,000 रुपये इंडियन करेंसी में आपको पे करना ही होता है। क्योंकि मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो ये बोल रही शायद कुछ डिस्काउंट मिल जाए, हो जाए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, बट लेट्स सी। बाकी सब बढ़िया है, हो गया। बाकी केवल यहाँ पे वो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का जब पेपर आएंगे वो सबमिट करने हैं इस ऑफिस में, and then we are sorted from here. So now we are heading to the Zürcher Kantonalbank.
No, I think we go first to the
Pass?
SPB.
SPB? What is SPB?
Railway station.
Ah, the railway station for the past. Yeah.
This
Yo.
is bus.
Yeah.
We go first there.
Yeah, would be. देखो यार लोग क्या मंडे है, टुडे इज मंडे एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 9:25 and this is the traffic.
Yeah, but it's not even the main street.
Yeah, but main street to leave it. In Lucknow I'm saying we don't live on some main street, no? और ये देखो हरियाली भाई, मतलब ये मुझसे पूछ रही थी कि मेरे को कैसा लगता है, मैंने बोला भाई इधर ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे I belong from here only. You know, it's so much of peace, so much of nature, less people, less crowd, less, you know, these things. Yeah, other things are different, but जो भी है. और देखो यहाँ का आर्मी का ट्रक है, यहाँ की आर्मी का ट्रक है. तो वही मैं बोला, इससे मस्त है यार, बढ़िया एकदम खाली रोड है, दौड़ने निकल जाओ, ऐसी खाली रोडें मिलती हैं. और क्या चाहिए जीवन में, जीवन धन्य है. इनसे शादी हो गई हमारी, हमारा जीवन धन्य हो गया. I'm blessed to get married with you. My life is completed. Yeah, this is what you say, no? Yeah.
My life is complete.
Completed. Yeah, complete. Yeah, complete.
Because if it's completed, then it means bye-bye.
No, not completed. Complete. Yeah. Is this police? No.
No.
Baby, I haven't
This
seen
left?
it. Yeah.
This is the street
ओ
cleaning.
सीरेक भाई, रोड सफाई चल रही है, रोड की देखो, झाड़ू लगा रहे हैं भाई साहब, देख रहे हो. सफाई का तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही ध्यान दिया जाता है यहाँ पे. अब मर्सिडीज के तो ट्रक होते हैं यहाँ पे, देख लो. नहीं, मर्सिडीज का नहीं है लेकिन होते हैं. सही है. ये यहाँ का पोस्ट है, पोस्ट छोटा सा येलो कलर का, लेटर डालो. और यहाँ भी मतलब अभी भी मोस्टली काम जो होता है ना पोस्ट के थ्रू होता है. इंडिया में जैसे बहुत रिड्यूस हो चुका है, ज़्यादातर हम कोरियर यूज़ करते हैं, पर यहाँ अभी भी लोग पोस्ट ऑफिस यूज़ करते हैं.
Yeah, here it's really.
They still use it, which is very good.
A lot of things they come by post.
Yeah.
Like if you order something,
Yeah.
it comes by post.
Yeah,
We don't have this courier stuff like
Yeah.
you have.
Yeah.
Everything comes by post, and
Which is very good, I think, because that's how the government is very stable, because your government organization are, you know, still good as, like, you know, working, whether it's a railway, whether it's this, that, whatever,
Yeah.
you know, everything is, and it's very, like, it's much better than the private sector. Like, I went to their nearby post thing, and it's very, they like organized kind of a supermarket store, Volg, where you can go and collect your, you know, the parcel if you are not at home or something like this, which is
but
amazing.
you know why they did this?
Why?
Okay, we had a post here,
Uh-huh.
but a lot of people they started started to have home office and all this.
Yeah.
So the most people are home,
Yeah.
and also before you had to do the payment at the post. All your payments you did through the post.
Correct.
So when this went back and all the e-banking came,
Uh-huh.
post lost a lot of money and
Yeah.
a lot of service.
Yeah.
So they decide, okay, we do this, we close a lot of posts. So then you had to go to the one bigger city next to you.
Yeah.
So we normally go to Vetsikon,
Uh-huh.
okay? But now they started to do it in full.
Yeah.
So they have this little.
Good, but that's what I'm saying. They adapted it, like, you know,
Yeah.
they, like, transformation happened,
Yeah.
which is amazing, you know. Like, they are not dependent just with a government organization. They, like, you know, associated with the private sector, and, you know,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Good. Ser good. देखो मर्सिडीज के ट्रक, ये बोला ना मैंने. ये जो है, ये स्टेशन है लेफ्ट साइड में. तो स्टेशन में ट्रैफिक तो है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है. देयर इज प्लेंटी ऑफ कार्स. और वो देखो ट्रेन से खड़ी है. यहाँ की ट्रेन बड़ी सुपर कूल है यार, बहुत सही है. खैर, तो प्लान हमारा थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है, क्योंकि पार्किंग का थोड़ा यहाँ पे इशू रहता है. यू हैव टू पे ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर. So we are thinking, because we have to park our car near the bank, and so maybe we park the car there otherwise we have to park here and pay extra, so we better park there and then we come back by walk and then we do our this thing also done and then we can pick a car, which makes much more sense. बाकी ये है वेस्कॉन सिटी, Osteroma. Hello.
Yeah, but I have to stop. No, maybe I have to stop now. Yeah.
Whatever, baby.
Very good.
Very good, no? भाई यहाँ पे गाड़ी पार्क कर दी गई है, नंबर 5 नंबर में गाड़ी पार्क कर दी गई है। अभी ये जाके वहाँ पे वो जो पोल दिख रहा है ना तुमको, ये पोल, इधर पे जाके नंबर टैप करेगी और टाइमिंग उसमें आ जाएगी कितने बजे आपने पार्क की थी, और फिर कॉइन डाल देगी। देखो कॉइन डालने जा रही है ये, एंड नाउ शी पुट्स अ कॉइन एंड ओके। और ये देखो यहाँ पे 1 स्विस फ्रैंक लगते हैं प्राइस, सो 1 स्विस फ्रैंक यू कैन पार्क फॉर 1.5 hour, राइट?
Yeah, but I just put 50
हाँ
Rappen
हाँ,
because I don't think that we will have more than an hour.
oh maybe, so okay, so that's still for 1 hour, right?
Now we have 1 hour.
Okay, good, yeah, so 50 is good. So 50 रुपए लगेंगे अभी फिलहाल के लिए. Now we are walking to our bank.
But we can walk also here.
Sure, wherever you want, my love, we walk. अभी देखो टेस्ला भाई साहब, ये बैंक था क्या 5 स्टार होटल था? It was so crazy, so I mean crazy, हाँ, how they set up everything. मुझे literally feeling आई कि 5 स्टार होटल के, I was feeling like we are sitting in a 5 star hotel reception.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
they're giving
This is-
coffee,
it's
they're
a-
so warm and stuff. I mean, like, and every employee was so happy and, you know, joyful.
Yeah, I mean
stuff.
it's the
Very nice.
opening today. Also
Yeah.
because of this, she told me, you know, I cannot go there on this page at this link. It's not working
yeah,
yet.
because-
And I was like, yeah, sure, it's new. I mean,
Yeah.
it's normal if you open a new place,
Yeah.
nothing works. And she was there and she was like, yeah, nothing works actually
Baby, just
here.
check. We have, I hope it's not more than 1 hour for us here.
No.
सो एनीवेज नाउ मेरा काम तो अभी हुआ नहीं क्योंकि आज ओपनिंग थी, तो कुछ ऑफिशियल काम ऐसा हो नहीं रहा है, केवल वो उसके लिए इसका नाम चेंज हो गया लिविया पांडे जी का। और बाकी मेरे काम के लिए ट्यूसडे का एक अपॉइंटमेंट दिया है, और जो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट का जो हम प्लान कर रहे थे कि विल डू अ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर मी फॉर आवर कंपनी, वो यहाँ नहीं होता, वो उस्तर में होगा। सो नाउ शी इज़ चेकिंग दैट मे बी वी हैव अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर टुडे. Like we anyways have appointment for bank account opening here for next Tuesday, but in case if we can do it in Ustar today, everything, I think that would be better, right? So let's see. She's checking. This is the website. Please, क्योंकि जॉब इसकी शुरू हो जाएगी तो बड़ा मुश्किल है टाइम मिलना यार, तो बेटर है आज हो जाए सारा काम. Fingers crossed. So
My uncle, we have been yesterday.
yesterday, oh uncle's, oh yeah,
Maybe
Miriam's
this
father.
was- yes. Maybe he's
But-
there. You want to go and see if he's there?
You don't want to go to post office? Sorry, railway station?
Yes, we also have to go, but if he's here, we can quickly see.
Whatever, if you want.
You want?
Sure, why not?
Okay, let's go. We just make the rounds.
So, yeah, तो अपॉइंटमेंट आज का नहीं मिला है, मतलब चेक किया
Because it's 9:15, no?
it's
So-
already full.
it's 10:15.
Yeah, it's 10:15 now. So, or and for 3, 4, 5 days is full, no appointment.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we see now. We should have, but yeah, we see what can be done. We can just wait. What's a big deal?
It's okay, no?
Yeah,
I mean,
baby. I
it's
think
not
it's completely okay. And one day,
necessary. And until so many, anyways, you can just do it. You
Yeah.
don't need
yeah,
to
yeah.
have fixed already the company. So it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, of course. And there is always a time, you
Yeah.
know. So yeah, we see now how things work. All is good. Oh, that's a Miriam Shops, no?
Yes.
So तुम लोग अगर वो दिख रहा हो विला बोरोन है, उसके पीछे ली, इट्स अ ली
Le Clou.
ले क्लू, ये वाइट कलर का ये जो बोर्ड है ये इसकी फ्रेंड है, सॉरी कज़न एंड फ्रेंड, शी इज फ्रेंड, फर्स्ट कज़न,
First, she's my cousin, no?
फर्स्ट शी इज द कज़न, ओके,
So she's family.
फ्रेंड कम
and-
कज़न, नो कज़न कम फ्रेंड.
Yeah.
सो उसकी शॉप ये है, सही है यार, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस क्लोथिंग शॉप एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एरिया. तो यही है भैया, अभी वी आर गोइंग टू द हर फादर्स शॉप. आई होप ही इज देयर, सो विल जस्ट से हाय. यस्टरडे वी वर देयर फॉर aperitivo, and now we're going to his shop. मजे हैं, मजे, जीवन के मजे हैं, यही तो हैं जीवन के मजे दोस्त, और क्या है.
Guten Morgen. Hoi.
Old style, very light, huh? What is
Yeah,
this?
here it's he's
Oh, the
still
soul.
need- yeah, the soul.
Like this is super light. It's crazy, huh? He make everything by himself or what?
Yeah, this he does all them by himself. This I guess not. Always if we do them like this, he's doing them by himself. These others are shoes he sells.
भाई साहब इधर अलग ही सीन चल रहा है. मेरे को जूते नपवाए जा रहे हैं, जूतों का साइज़. तो ये जो है ना इसके अंकल, ये मतलब ट्रेडिशनल वे में मतलब जूते बनाते हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. मतलब इट्स वेरी रेयर, यू नो, ही मेक एवरीथिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ, स्पेशली दीस काइंड ऑफ शूज़. सो अभी ये लोग मेरे को ज़बरदस्ती जूते वो करवा रहे हैं. अभी मेरे को कौन सा वाला पहनवाया था, ये वाला, पहले ये वाला पहनवाया, ये वाला जो कि मेरे को टाइट सा था, फिर मेरे को दूसरा पहनवाया जो एकदम कंफर्टेबल था, मतलब साइज़ मेरा. तो अभी कुछ वो लोग फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं, कुछ बातचीत कर रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं, पता नहीं क्या बातचीत कर रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता. शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद उपहार में मुझे देना चाहते हैं, पर मुझे नहीं पता. पर हाँ, मुझे काफ़ी हद तक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी रेयर पीपल आई लाइक, यू नो, ही टॉक लेस बट ही इज़ वेरी लाइक व्हिच इज़ अमेजिंग. आई लाइक पर्सनैलिटी person. Very serious tone, huh? Very nice. I like it. Very cool guy.
It's a very big lake. It's an hour from here by car. Where on this place where we go to Italy, so we cross this area, and he goes there for fishing.
Oh.
So he goes early morning, and he stays whole day there, and then he comes back. Yeah, it's super nice.
Very
and
good.
he does this.
Very good content.
Yeah, and yeah, this is well. And he does this a lot of times. So
Yeah, he's a very chill guy, huh?
yeah, absolutely.
He's one of those guys, like mostly like me, who don't want to do anything and just chill.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you just like when
Yeah.
you don't want to do anything,
Yeah.
you're just like fishing or doing whatever.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's cool.
So he told, okay, he will come with me one day, and I was like, yeah, sure, call. And then I looked that he's ready at this and this time. And he was like, okay, and then we go. And with him, I don't know. Also, if you don't understand, somehow you understand him.
Yeah,
no?
you don't need language to understand this kind of people. You know, it's just
And he came when he was 18. He came to Switzerland.
yeah.
No?
So
And he know how it will or how it is now for you and all this.
yeah,
so
because he's been in my shoes.
exactly.
You know, so yeah, that's cool. चलो भाई, अब जा रहे हैं हम स्टेशन to get her thing done. So today is your day technically. We are getting everything yours done.
No, not true. Okay, yeah, because now in the bank we could just do my
That's
stuff,
what I mean.
not yours.
Yeah, there you go. तो भाई ये आ गया हा स्टेशन. And we have to find a parking, baby.
It's everything full. What?
Right, there's a parking, love. See,
These are not parkings.
what it is then?
This is, you can have a special
handicap.
appointment, and then
There.
you can get. No, it's also full.
There, no. Wow, all the parkings are almost full.
And also here, everything is full.
That's so crazy, huh? It's a weekday, no? So maybe there. See,
No, I cannot go there.
you cannot go. There, baby, there. Love.
That's not. I cannot. I don't. Oh yeah, I can go there.
Where's the parking?
don't know. Let me see. Here there's no one.
I haven't seen any parking, but well, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Cross the finger. Make the parking. Oh, wow. No, maybe.
There, maybe.
Yeah, possible. Maybe. Yes, 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 yes. Gwed, 2 parking. Finally. Defender के बगल में
It's
parking
very
दिया.
small, huh? Come on.
Baby, nothing is small. You want to take your phone, please? And take your purse, please. And then we get her work done. Okay, that's actually close. If you see, oh my God. भाई साहब इतना पास क्यों लगाते हो कि हम नहीं निकल पाते हैं. Okay. Good. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. How much? 1 or 50?
Yeah, but I put just 50
Oh, good.
because we don't need.
Oh, it came, I think.
I need to pay for one. Wow.
Yeah, minimum 1. Oh, how much you paying?
I have to pay 1 Swiss francs.
So how much? How many you put? 4. Okay.
Yeah, I have to
Done?
put little money.
Wow, that's so crazy. There is another way. So this is the office. चलो कैमरा भी बंद होगा.
Ja, ja, unbedingt. Nicht als Süßigkeit alles drin, es muss einfach nur Ei sein. Aber 99% hat immer Ei drin.
Da hat es im Mürbeteig Eier drin. Musst du das jetzt mal schauen? Eier drin? Ja.
Also in der Gipfeli hat es auch kein Ei drin, oder? Maisgipfeli.
They're having a conversation about egg. What thing they have without egg. So they are still trying to figure it out. Which is very rare. I mean, like, because mostly everybody eats eggs here. So my wife is struggling to find eggless bread. But we found few. But she wanted to buy something special because this is a special shop here where they have really good breads and stuff. So we see.
They check everything.
Uh,
If there is egg in or not. But it is egg inside. Because,
everything sweet they have egg.
Yeah, because here, okay, here the egg, it's something you have egg
Yeah.
everywhere. No?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
have
I
so
mean-
many chicken and they just have the chickens for egg. So you have seen, no? Also in our neighborhood, so many
Yeah.
they have chickens.
Yeah.
They live outside freely and they just give them egg and they have egg because
Yeah.
it's nice.
Yeah, egg is a very common thing here, you know.
Yeah.
It's like a milk in India.
Yeah.
You know, they put. So finally we found 2 breads, no? What
Yeah,
is
2
this?
different breads.
Yeah. And this is a famous place from it's called Steiner.
Steiner.
Steiner with a Swiss German accent. But for me it's a Steiner. But yeah, that's this one is the shop. But these ladies there was like really struggling to find, huh? I could see that old lady, she was like, oh my god. The old lady, how she was finding was like she was really struggling to find.
Yeah, but it
thing.
was super cute, no? That they served.
Yeah, they're very
Tried.
And they were looking at me also in a shock, like, oh my god, who's this guy who does not eat egg?
Yeah, and then because they started like, then they were like, yeah, but it has not a complete egg inside. It's just this and this and that and that. And then I was like, yeah, but it's the egg, no? And then she was like, yeah, but why? And I was like,
Because he's Indian.
so then I explained, he's Indian, and in India there it's egg, it's vegetarian, like you don't
Yeah.
eat it.
Yeah, correct.
And she was like, okay, so how and blah, and then I explained, and she was like, okay, yeah, I understand, it makes sense, absolutely, it makes sense.
place. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने सुबह से we did not have breakfast or anything.
For this we went to the bakery.
Yeah, and we found this bread. And now we are heading to home, right?
Yeah, now
Yeah.
home.
And we have to work out few things.
Yeah.
So let's see.
So I have to also to make a picture and then upload this.
Which picture, love?
Oh, fast. For my new Swiss bus.
Swiss bus?
This card.
Oh,
because-
so you have to upload it.
Yeah, because I get it free because I changed my name. I don't have to pay anything.
Oh wow, that's good.
So, and then I asked, can I also change my picture? Because I guess it's around 20 years old, this picture
Super
on the
old.
card.
Yeah.
And then he looked at me and he checked when I did
Are you
this first
serious?
Swiss bus and he was like, yeah, 1 month ago it has been 20 years, this
Oh, wow,
card.
wow.
And anyway, I had to do it new
Yeah.
because it's too long, no?
Yeah. But this is a cool thing here. पता है कि एक पास होता है तुम्हारा, तुम उस पास को एक certain amount charge किया जाएगा monthly, 270 to how much? 247 you paid, 247 Swiss franc for this pass. Now you can use this pass all over cantonment Zurich, okay? And it's a massive cantonment. You can use this for a train journey, you can use it for a bus journey, you can use it for a tram, you can use
And
it
ship.
even the ship also, like they have to cross the lakes, big lakes and stuff, which is so nice. I mean, you don't have to buy separate ticket for bus, this, you just buy a ticket. Even general travel also, if you just buy a ticket, it applies for everything, which is amazing.
We did not went to Migros. I forgot Migros.
There was a Migros if you want.
I know, but now we are here. Now we go home,
Yeah.
we have breakfast.
Yeah.
Maybe we can go in the afternoon.
Yeah. So we see. Okay. Yeah. So that's a cool thing. So we see now. Volk.
You're somehow fan of this folk.
No color, matching color.
Magic color.
I'm fan of the white, yellow zebra line also. No?
Yeah,
It's
just
me.
the
Matches
yellow
this
front.
yellow color. Everything. I think I am attracted to yellow now. I guess I think you could say that.
Sure.
So, yellow car. Everything is yellow in my life now.
Yeah, also my dad, no?
Your dad, yellow.
Yellow or
He's a yellow fan,
orange,
yellow
one
or
of
orange,
both.
yeah.
Yes.
So भैया पहुंच गए हैं घर. देखो सामने पहाड़ दिखते हैं, एल्प्स, और ये है घर, रास्ता. और ये जो ये नीले नीले पौधे हैं बड़े सही है ना. आई लव दीज कलर फ्लावर्स, स्मॉल
Yeah, very pretty.
ये आ गया हमारा पार्किंग एरिया. कभी तुम लोग दिखाया नहीं है, पर देखो सेंसर देखना भी. जैसे हम अंदर जाएंगे, ये लाइट जली हरी, एंड नाउ सडनली द ट्यूब लाइट विल स्विच ऑन. And
No, it's in the back.
yeah.
For these people. No?
Yeah. Good. And now we go to park the car.